just in general, you're a fourth year now. You've seen like 3 batches of juniors come in. You've talked to a lot of physics majors. I'm sure a lot of STEM majors in general. You've also done Caltech mein gaya tu. You've met so many other majors from different countries and different colleges in India. So in general, what mistakes do you see current undergraduates making in STEM? If it's just the
In general, I
undergraduate.
think.
Yeah.
So I think like the mistakes, it's not necessarily that STEM people are making a particular mistake that other people are not.
Mm-hmm.
In general, I think all of us do make some mistakes. First of all, I think like I was saying earlier also that this एक हवा चलती है grades की. That's I just remembered why I started the topic of Rana Adhikari. I was telling this exact point that we rounded back to about the grades, that this guy was very character wala guy. And let me just continue this point only. That I went to him and I said ki, you know what, I come from Ashoka University. We are not established in physics, honestly. We have amazing professors, amazing faculty, people who are known worldwide, but we have not produced any substantial work. Yeah.
In physics at least.
Compared to Caltech to nothing. Right. And I said, you had the options of getting people from IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IISER, Pune, IISc, ये वो दुनिया आयुका वगैरह सब कुछ. Why the hell would you choose me? I have some experience, and the projects that I've done, I was quite confident of that. So in the interview, I did it well. All of that, okay. My preparation was okay, good enough to manage to get it. But I'm sure that out of the 20, 30 people that so they got about 1,000, 2,000 applications, something like that, out of which they sort of shortlisted 500 people, something like that. They gave the second round of the questionnaire round, which they gave to, I think, 100 people. The people who cleared the questionnaire was basically you have to problem solve. You have to solve problems, physics problems. One experimental, one theoretical, one computational.
So 3 problems, and I'm assuming they gave you like 2 days to solve.
48 hours they gave me, and I did not eat any meal, and I did not have time to eat a meal. I did not have a time to sleep for 48 hours. And it was such a crazy experience that at the end of the 48 hours, at the end मैंने कहा चलो अब थोड़ी देर मुझे 6:30 बजे सबमिट करना था US टाइम के हिसाब से. इंडिया का 6:30 बजे मुझे सबमिट करना था. 5:45 में लगा कि भाई बहुत हो गया है, एक बार 10 मिनट की नींद ले लेते हैं. मैं 10 मिनट में सोने गया, मेरी आँख खुली से 6:28 पे. मैंने कहा 2 मिनट बचा है. मैंने फटाफट डाउनलोड करा PDF लेटेक्स से, उसको अपलोड किया, जो भी करके किया. बट 2 दिन फिर मैं उसके बाद मैं गया ढाबा. उस वक्त ढाबा 24/7 चलता था. अब भी शायद 24/7 ही चलता है.
नहीं, 4 बजे बंद. हाँ,
4 बजे बंद हो जाता है. उस वक्त 24/7 चलता था. पेल के मैंने एक तो मैगी खाई पहले और एक चाय पी, और फिर मैं अपने कमरे में सोने गया. मैंने कहा उठेंगे जब 2 दिन बाद उठेंगे तब कुछ खाएंगे, अभी सोने जाओ. तो ऐसा गया वो दिन. और I did the question around. Out of the, I think the 100 people who might have done the question around, उसमें से 20-25 लोगों को इंटरव्यू मिला. I said कि यार उन 20-25 लोगों में से I am damn sure कि
तो होएगा नहीं.
कितने नहीं मतलब कितने लोग उसमें से 5-6 लोग तो मेरे जो दोस्त के दोस्त, मतलब जो IIT बॉम्बे जिनका सिलेक्शन हो गया था, उनके 4-5 दोस्त और थे जो IIT बॉम्बे के ही थे, जो लाइन में थे, और IIT दिल्ली के थे, और IISER, बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया. मैंने कहा when you had these people who have worked in the labs, in a proper labs, like sort of what was your reason? I would ask this question very often. It's a thing that you should always ask. If someone chooses you, be it even if a society है, don't think कि भाई एक society में selection हो गया तो क्या बड़ी बात है. If you have gone through a process and someone has selected you, always ask them, why was I selected? Ask in a friendly way, not in a like a professional, but ask hey, what did you find unique in me that you select? Is it something that you just needed a person and I was the only one to apply? Or was it like a tough decision? If it was a tough decision, why was I selected over the others? That's how you get to know what skills people are looking at in you, and what you should advertise more.
Or is there something in you that you don't see but other people?
What other people are seeing, what other people are valuing, what is valued out there in general. So I would ask him something like that, and few things that he told me. I said कि भाई देखो मेरे grades on, I was a 3.5 CGPA guy, so I'm not the topper of the class. I'm not failing also, but I'm not the topper as well. 3.5 is like average. I said it's average grade. I'm sure that 3.5 of IIT Bombay is better than 3.5 of Ashoka. Right? Because given that उससे बंदे ने इतनी IIT JEE की प्रिपरेशन करी है, मर तड़ा के ऊपर वहाँ तक पहुँचा है, experience वगैरह, all of that. But that's when he told me कि one problem with you guys is that you worry too much about your grades.
As in the students, he said in general.
As in the students, he said that you guys worry too much about your grades. And not just him. It's not just him. It's actually a lot of faculty were there. that I talked to, there used to be this graduate session that we had, and this all the faculty, they said that you don't realize that when we look at your, say, resume, your grades is literally one line in your CV. Ki this university, this course, this grade, this year. That in your entire CV, that grade is just literally one tiny spot. The next 2 pages is your experience. And people here and in general, they spend so much time. Now think about it. If you think about it, people spend so much time after Ashoka. They get so much stress. They do everything
GPA.
to improve that tiniest portion of your, of your resume and CV. And the entire next 2 pages, which is experience, people don't do shit for that.
I think that it's not as valuable.
Exactly. How is that fair? So I said, okay, so is it okay that any GPA is fine for you? They said, of course not. That's also not a good sign. If you have a bunch of experience, but you have like a 2.2 CGPA, that is also not a great cause. Because that's what shows that you cannot handle 2 things at once. You cannot handle doing projects and academics at once. You cannot do sort of, this multitasking kind of a thing. But they said that once you are above a certain threshold, say 3.3, that's what they told me, that 3.3 is a good threshold. Once you're above the threshold, above that it doesn't matter what you have got much. Whether it's 3.3 or 3.5 or 3.9, it's not going to make as much of a difference as your experience will now. So given that you're above a threshold, given that you're maintaining yourself above a threshold, what matters is the 2 pages. And people die. People literally, a lot of my friends, they're like, bro, I could have done a project with this person, but if I do a project, it'll mess up my grades. I'm a 3.99 right now. I will come down to 3.97. I'll come down to 3.8.
Is that an exaggeration or is that actual?
It's an actual thing. I'm one of
9.97.
I don't know, but not from 3.9 to 3.97, but like 3.9 to 3.8.
Okay.
0.1 ग्रेड गिरता है या किसी का होता है कि भाई मैंने ये प्रोजेक्ट कर दिया, इसकी वजह से मेरा A नहीं A- आ गया. And they're so sad about it. And I'm like, dude, how can you be sad about it? From if it has dropped from A to A- or 3.99 से तेरा 3.8 आ गया. People don't care about this 0.1 वगैरह का difference at all out there. Yeah. If it's above a threshold, they don't look at, they just see कि भाई 3. इतने से ऊपर है, now we don't care about it. And now they skip it and they come to the next part कि इसका experience क्या है बंदे का.
That's the true meat of your resume.
Exactly. And that's where people make a big mistakes. Undergraduates make a big mistakes that they focus too much on their grades and not work anything. They don't do anything. They may not do much about the experience, the next 2 pages.
I think what really costs them another thing that not working on experience is not just the fact that you aren't going to land that internship or that job. It's when it ties back to what we're talking about, uncertainty. When you don't have that much experience in different things, or just when you don't have experience in anything except working your doing your courses,
subject out, yeah.
You're not exploring who you are. You're not going to explore things you might potentially like, and so you're not going to learn more about yourself.
Certainly.
So it's not just कि मुझे internship नहीं मिली, experience नहीं है, I'm not going to get the internship. It's भाई you don't have experience, you're not.
तुम्हें internship ही नहीं मिलेगी उसके बाद.
हाँ.
Precisely, yeah.
तो internship तो गई हाथ से, पर क्या गया, मौका वो हाथ से चला गया खुद को जानने के लिए.
You don't get to, for instance, there was this one, I always say this one thing. Okay, it's a very subtle thing, subtle point, it's not a big mistake that people make. But यार कई बार ना Ashoka में very interesting people come to give talks. Very interesting people. Right. And they come, and usually these interesting people, they come with opportunities. कि हमारे यहाँ एक डिपार्टमेंट एक बंदा टॉक देने आया, प्रोफेसर राजा फ्रॉम Santa Cruz.
But is he a professor now here? Raja
Ashoka. No.
That's some other
philosopher guy. There's a physics guy.
Yeah.
He gave a talk which of course no one understood. It's a very high level.
That's
talk.
a standard for physics.
Yeah.
Attend the talk समझ नहीं आना चाहिए. समझ आया तो problem है कुछ.
Undergraduate तो समझ में नहीं आता in general. But at the end he said कि you know what, we are I take undergraduate interns, summer interns, and he told about the program and everything like that. Now a lot of people don't attend these workshops because don't attend these lectures because think कि समझ में तो आना नहीं है, क्या फायदा जाने.
भी नहीं करता इसलिए.
A lot of people don't do this. बट एज इट टर्न्स ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स अ फेयर पॉइंट कि कई बार सही में समझ में नहीं आते, कई बार लो हो सकते हैं, थोड़े कोई स्पीकर बोरिंग हो थोड़ा सा, तो मन कई बार अपनी इन फील्ड ऑफ इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, ऑल ऑफ दैट इज देयर. बट ऑल द पीपल हु डिड नॉट अटेंड द टॉक डिड नॉट रियलाइज कि इसके पास इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज है बंदे की. So if you show some interest right now, if you get the email, if you talk about it a bit about, if you share your interest or whatever like that, you have a chance to go to UCSC.
Yeah.
UC Santa Cruz is a huge place for astronomy. And all of the amazing people now, the problem over here is that people prioritize. They'll be like, भाई अगर मैं ये वाली टॉक में गया, भले ही कितना ही बड़ा आदमी आ रहा है, अगर मैं ये वाली टॉक पे गया, then I'll miss this 15 minutes of my lecture or 30 minutes of my lecture or some lecture like that. Think about it. How does it actually matter? Like, if you're just missing a lecture, you can always ask an officer and understand that. You can go to your friend and take the notes. You can ask them to help you understand it or whatever. But at that time, just for this grades वाला thing कि भाई मैंने ये class miss कर दिया तो मेरा ये grade कम हो जाएगा, वो because of that they missed this beautiful opportunity that they could have got
Had they attended that.
had they attended that. And for instance, I worked on this one project with the Professor Dipankar only. And I was doing this one experiment and I attended this. I usually have the habit of attending all this such talks and all. And in one of the talks, I got this idea कि hey, ये वाला जो principle है, I can use the same principle to make something called a CMB detector, which is a cosmic microwave background detector.
Okay, so talk में you get an idea. I can use this principle to make a detector.
Some sort of principle, and I can make I thought that we can make this amateur detector at my university itself. That was me in my second year. And I talked to my professor and they...
Which semester? I'm curious. Fourth semester.
Fourth semester. Something like that, yeah. Not in third semester, fourth semester.
And nearing the end, I'm assuming, huh?
And I talked to my professor and he said it's not feasible right now. This kind of setup would take a few, thousands of dollars and we cannot spend that much. He said, okay, sure. I just had an idea. Later यार मैंने फिर से कोई talk attend करा, कुछ ऐसा हुआ and I was reading some paper, किसी ने बोला कि read this paper, it's a good paper, something like that, and I was following up on that paper वाला thing. And I figured out the way to make the same machines, make the same detector in a much cheaper fashion. Instead of using this electronics, if I use this electronics in this system, I can make the same system, same detector in a much cheaper way.
Yeah.
And once I found it, I started researching it and I talked to professor and he said, yeah, that's a cool idea. Let's make it an ISM. So now, right now in my last semester, we are doing it as an ISM. So an idea that I got in my fourth semester,
From attending
a talk is my ISM right now. And I was talking to a few people even at Caltech that I'm going to do this as an ISM or as an independent thing. And I was talking to people around, even my friends. They were so fascinated by this idea. They were like, shit, dude, that's so cool that you figured it out. That not me, but the project worked out. So this kind of a thing, you just attend these things. If I would have, been like, bhai, mujhe to ye class kuch bhi karna hai, if I would have cried too much about my grades, ki se main baith ke padh leta hu, talk dekhne se kya hoga? You miss on opportunities. So a lot of a subtle mistake that people make at Ashoka is that just crying for their grades or something like that, they miss these opportunities that they could have had.
It's insane. So, एक talk attend करी, talk से get an idea. I can use this principle to make this device. Go to a professor. It's too expensive. Cannot do it right now. You read a paper or some other thing regarding that. Find a cheaper way to make that device.
It was a bit complex in that, but yeah, in a breakdown version, of course, something like that. Yeah.
And now you're doing an ISM of that, and you don't know who knows ये कहाँ जाएगा.
Who knows it?
Maybe कुछ निकलेगा नहीं, पर कुछ निकलेगा जरूर.
Professor agreed that's a cool idea.
हाँ.
Right. कुछ ना कुछ निकलेगा, as you said. कि Professor, it has worked out before. People have done it before. We are just sort of recreating it at Ashoka.
Yeah.
It's Professor sort of confident that it will work out. He's ready to sort of guide us, Professor Dipankar only. So we are excited. We are working on it right now. It was an old idea that we got from a workshop. Working out right now.
I think I feel more excited for you to see अगले एक साल में क्या क्या होता है. I don't even care about this podcast.
No, but in a sense, I mean, like, yeah, that's a subtle mistake that people care too much about this grades. I think कि भाई grades के लिए तो हम कुछ भी कर देंगे.
Yeah.
And another thing that massive, just tiny mistakes at Ashoka, not at Ashoka, in general undergrad. So I think कि, when even when we were like through Astronomy Society or any other society that you're working with, a lot of people don't want to work because they're like, भाई कौन करे, सच है तो मैं अपना assignment कर लूँ.
हाँ, इससे क्या मिलेगा करके?
Who will write a mail to some professor in whatever Gurgaon or whatever, Bombay and Bangalore and all, and call them to Ashoka and give them a lecture.
Yeah.
And
क्या मिलेगा उससे?
कौन करेगा ये सब काम करके? सच में मैं अपना असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट कर लूँ और आई बेटर मेक माई समथिंग लाइक दिस हियर एंड देयर, और प्रोफेसर से और कुछ भी कर लूँ, काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. इट सो हैपेंस दैट द और लोधा जीनियस प्रोग्राम एंड ऑल, they called us saying ki I called the Lodha Genius wala people. They called us saying the astronomy society, if you can help us around conducting the Lodha Genius program wala, that would be a cool thing karke.
Dude, now that's a yearly thing we do.
That's the yearly thing, yeah. And they said that's not the first time when they were being established. And they said that they called the astronomy society us, and they were like, ki, we want you guys to make the astronomy module for the entire program. And we made the module, and most of the people who were asked from our department, they were like कि कौन करे भाई, इससे अच्छा तो जो है पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं, सब घर पे रहेंगे, ब्रेक्स हैं तो ये कर लेंगे वो कर लेंगे, whatever like. And even while making the module वाला शो का, they were like कि नहीं यार, कौन तो लोग को फ़ोन करे, कौन यहाँ एस्ट्रो फोटोग्राफी करवाए, ये वर्कशॉप वगैरह कौन तो लोग. I said no यार, let's do it. It'll be fun. So we went on this sort of a mission kind of thing. LGP का अपन लोग करवाएंगे एस्ट्रोनॉमी मॉड्यूल. And during that process, for hours and hours, we would start finding people on the internet कि भाई आयुका से कौन आ सकता है, and we will go to Professor Dipankar and figure out a few people, go to Shomok and figure out a few people, Kandu figure out a few people. I talked to so many people, I called up so many people and talked to them, that now such sort of big people from places like Ayuka and ICER and IISc and IIA, and so many people from around the Nehru Planetarium के director and all, we are literally on WhatsApp terms now. कि यार हम लिटरली व्हाट्सएप पे बात होती है, हम लोग क्यों कॉल वॉल हो जाता है.
तो अपनी बात कर रहा है,
मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ. हाँ. एंड नाउ आई जस्ट टेक्स्ट देम कि हे, हम लोग का प्रोग्राम आ रहा है, एंड could you do you have any ideas? And like it's a very like a it's a thing that people out there in the India's biggest institutes, they know you, they know who you are.
Yes,
they know who you work with, and they just know us very well. So Professor Dipankar or anyone like that, our professors, they come to us and they say ki, hey, this person from ICER Pune or Ayuka was asking. I said, oh yeah, this person, I know them very well. And they were like, oh fuck, you know them? And we're like, yeah, we know them, we have worked with them. And they're like, how do you know them? Yeah. And we're like, oh, good that you know them. I said, yeah, we know them very well. We have good, so now we have such a good contact that in some sense, okay, I'm not being overconfident about it, but in a sense that even suppose I'm applying to graduate schools, if I don't get a graduate schools, because I have talked to so many people and they know about me that I've worked here and there and I have this and I know about their existence and all of that, I can actually get an internship, a 3 or 6 month internship over there at
using their help.
Using
their help, perhaps.
Exactly. In Ayuka, places like that, I've sort of got it. And it all comes from the simple LGP program and all that, asking us to contact people and we contacting people and making contacts like that. We could have also said कि नहीं हमारे exams आ रहे हैं, grades हैं बहुत ज़्यादा important हमारे लिए, and we can't help you out. In which case it would have not worked out great. But given that हमने किया and we got to make so much that's a big thing. Like even if I don't get a graduate school next time, I have some backup option, which is a good internship at a great place in India. Just because I made contact in some time in my second, third year.
Yes. I think what I like to emphasize from that is you didn't make that decision because you thought कि ये सब होएगा.
Exactly.
You did it because यार, I think this is interesting.
Interesting.
मुझे program करने का, I want to organize this program and all, create the module, तभी करा.
कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा.
Yeah.
लोगों से बात करेंगे, कुछ contacts बनेंगे, देखा जाएगा फिर क्या होता है. Contacts तो बने कम से कम पहले हैं.
हाँ.
Whatever I can extract out of it देखेंगे. But बने तो contacts बहुत अच्छे बन गए.
Yeah.
Like they think of us as very cool, we think of them, they are very good and all of that. So it's a people at Ashoka may in general undergraduates may avoid such work कि कौन करे यार, मतलब इससे अच्छा तो assignment कर लेते हैं, पढ़ लेते हैं kind of thing. It may not be it may not work out in your favor. It may be doing this kind of a thing, even if you lose 5 marks on an assignment, doing this thing can actually help you much better in a much bigger way later on than those lost 5 marks.
It might give you more fulfillment in the long run. I'm thinking about you write novel or you're working on a novel, you're like writing, and I was thinking about this. You're never going to enjoy a movie or a book or like a novel if you already know what's coming. The only reason you're continuing to read that book is because तुम्हें पता नहीं अगला क्या होगा. You're curious to know क्या होएगा.
That's precisely the reason.
So apply this to your life.
Exactly. That's precisely the reason कि मैं हैरी पॉटर नॉवल खत्म ही नहीं कर पा रहा क्योंकि मुझे पता है क्या होने वाला है अगले पेज पे. So I'm not feeling like turning the page. हमने कि यार पता है क्या होने वाला है. but that's true. I mean, like, you know, that's why it's sort of important to do things which are not just for your grades. Certainly people out there do not create, no one out there is as worried about your grades as you are. Only you care about your grades, people don't. If you are above a certain threshold, people don't care about it, how much it is, given that you're above a threshold. Once you're maintaining above that threshold is not a very difficult job. It's manageable. Okay, it's not that easy, it's not that difficult. But avoiding, for instance, you know, if I tell, say, any of my friends ki I was in a podcast with this guy or I was talking to this guy, they will be like कि भाई क्या फायदा,
अभी स्टार्ट करा है, छोटा पॉडकास्ट है,
whatever, छोटा podcast. It's not like I don't know that, it's not like that Ranveer Alabadi or whoever is calling you. You're not going for that. So like what's the point? Just if you have a assignment, you just go कर ले और तेरा एसपी काम वो करके खत्म कर, कम से कम अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन दे पाएगा. But said no, let's see, it may turn out something good. कभी कुछ हो जाए, कुछ ना भी हो तो it's a fun thing. Interesting, it's a new path to explore. And I'm here कि हाँ भाई करके देखते हैं. Like, you know what it's not a loss to me कि भले ही मैं ESP हो सकता है कुछ हो जाए.
I feel like that's your subtle way of telling me to wrap the
No,
fuck up.
no, not at all.
No,
I'm actually enjoying it.
I know.
But it's just like a sort of an example कि this sort of a thing कि one can worry about their grades a lot. Okay, one can worry about it, but realize that you're the only one who will be worrying about it. No one else is gonna care about it as much as you will. So better do other things that can give you that can sort of give you some hands-on experience, some sort of communication experience, something else. Better work out with your society, better work out on some projects, better attend these lectures who can, like, you know, sort of help you in ways that you cannot even imagine unless you attend them. और कहीं कुछ आइडिया क्लिक हो जाता है,
नहीं पता होता,
कहीं पता नहीं होता, and that one idea it can take you so far. I attended this one talk जिससे मुझे सुनने में आया लाइगो के बारे में कि भाई ये तो इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है सुनने में. From a talk it came. Okay, LIGO internship, it came from a talk to me. कह रहे LIGO बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग काम कर रहा है, they're doing astronomy and they're doing experiments. मैंने कहा नेट पे देखते हैं इसके बारे में. नेट पे पढ़ा, मुझे पता चला they offer internships as well. मैंने कहा अप्लाई तो कर सकते हैं. It came from a talk. I missed some sort of a lecture and went for this talk where they told me this thing is happening. I said ये तो करना है भाई. All coming from a simple, not crying so much about grades वाला actions. और सिंपल थिंग्स, ट्रैवलिंग. ओके, वीकेंड आता है, लोग कहते हैं भाई हम वीकेंड में पूरा असाइनमेंट बता देंगे. यार गिवन दैट यू आर एट शोका, आई एम क्वाइट श्योर दैट यू आर गुड एट हैंडलिंग मिसहैंडल्ड स्टफ. जो बर्बाद हो चुका है उसको संभालने में आता है अपन को उतना. सो वन वीकेंड इफ यू कैन मैनेज टू गो समवेयर आउट, एनी ट्रैवल, छोटा सा टिपिकल ट्रैवल कर लो, इवन दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग इज गोना हेल्प यू big time. No one knows how, but taking that sort of small, you know, deroutes can help you a lot. And I think that is something that people miss out at Ashoka, or in general undergraduates they miss out a lot, that they sort of, you know, they don't want to put time into, they don't sort of, you know, they don't want to put out time into, we don't want to put time into many things that हमको अभी unnecessary लग रही है.
अंदर से क्या नहीं लग रही?
अननेसेसरी लग रही है. अच्छा,
जिसका यूटिलिटी नहीं दिख रहा कि ये इससे ये यील्ड होगा.
एग्जैक्टली. अपन को करंट में दिख रहा है कि ये प्रॉफिट नहीं दे रहा है, सो वी आर लाइक कि छोड़ो इसको. राइट. थिंकिंग कि क्या ही प्रॉफिट देगा. स्टे विद इट फॉर अ वाइल एंड यू रियलाइज कि क्या प्रॉफिट देने वाला है. लाइक यू मे नॉट इवन रियलाइज व्हाट इट इज, बट इट्स गोना डेफिनेटली, फॉर इंस्टेंस, okay, I'll cover this maybe later. I feel like you're hesitating to give an example. No, there's a very cool example, but yeah, just in general sense, I mean, like, you know, I think like it's quite if people miss these opportunities thinking that it's not a, I cannot see a profit, so I'm not going to do it. मुझे रेपुटेशन मेरी ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मुझे फेम मिल रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है कि प्रोफेसर से मेरी कुछ इज्जत बढ़ रही है, ग्रेड्स नहीं बढ़ रहा है, किसी संबंध अच्छे नहीं, why should I do it right now? And they miss it. And you never know, that thing is going to take you so far. I got the internship from a talk जिससे मुझे कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं हो रहा था. I got a project with Deepu कि चलो चांस लेके देखते हैं. If he says no, let's see how it goes. I made so many connections at Ayuka that I have a backup option कि अगर मुझे graduate school में नहीं मिलता है backup options to work at those places, all because I did things
That were
that
useless.
were useless at that time. That was helping someone else, but not me at the moment at least. And now it's working out in my favor.
Yeah.
That's one big mistake that people do.
Another question though.